and soft, dim skies. I know, but cannot share it. My love is otherwise. I love a sunburned country, a land of sweeping plains, of ragged mountain ranges, of droughts and flooding rains. I love her far horizons, I love her jewel sea, her beauty and her terror, the wide brown land for me. The tragic ring-barked forests, stark white beneath the moon, the sapphire-misted mountains, the hot gold hush of noon. Green tangle of the brushes, where lithe lianas coil, and orchids deck the treetops, and ferns the crimson soil. Core of my heart,